Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Joint Action Committee jong ka All Ad Hoc School Teachers Association of Meghalaya ka bala long ka kunhun jong ginoi kai school ad hoc ha ka jila Meghalaya ka bakan thop na do ka kerdan lower primary ha do ka kerdan higher secondary school kalarai ban khot ngop hayo menteri khana sarkar pedeng ubapet yakatnat social justice and empowerment Uramdas Athawale banwan shanoba shillong ha ka arp pratrik mentaw nailar arajar khat khandai ban yo pensngo u ya ki jing dawa jong ginoi kai school ad hoc State Convener ka Joint Action Committee jong ka All Ad Hoc School Teachers Association ka Meghalaya uba Kenneth Chadap ha ka jing kran bigla pathai kubor ha ka arpulai trek nailar ajar kha khandai ulai tho ba kani ka kanhun ka pen khre ban penlong ka jing lang ka ba he Hamadan Malki Shillong ha ka arp pratrek mentaw banai nailar ajar khat khandai ban pedang burom ya menteri khana sarkar pedeng bat kumju yo menteri rangba ka jilau Konrad K Sangma uban salong kongsan ha ni sngi ka jing dawa ka bah khmat ya bagani ka senjong ki noi ka school ad hoc kala bu khmat sarkar kalong ban kintiu sha ka kerdan deficit ya ki school ad hoc ki bala khamrem ki badan ha ni ka jela
lower primary upper primary secondary but higher secondary ad hoc tangki ad hoc kategoris kan nilai Shonglang nilai Lumlang nilai Menjur ban ya Trilang po kan ka All Ad Hoc School Teachers Association di akan tarik Julai abawan Union Minister Uramdas Athawale Minister of State for Social Justice and Empowerment Government of India ngilalek Shah Assam Guwahati ban kendu yu ngilakar patru yu baun wan Shanisha Meghalaya Shillong di nakaliang junggu laong ba unsa ay jintip adin ba ula ay ka jintip la batikna buun wan shani haka arpu pratarik u agos arhajar khat khandai arpu pratarik u agos arhajar khat khandai unwan hangne tengilapan kre ya ka binyu Madan Malki Playground nila dapat kre antu kapor kanglong madar beje mensni nila ong bas mau babat kot ke halor kani nila khot so baru yau Chief Minister Badan Buram jongi Konrad Konkal Sangma nila alik ayaka memorandum ho nila alik ayaka invitation yo la don sitayo ai te mena step ru nila yalek biang namar bah kapor bang nila ai invitation yo ong ngampala ban pentikana ya katarik temenen nila alik biang hayim jomu ngidap ta kajing dokumen ba mau pediang bandong chief guest aga arku pratarik tu agos arajar kat kendai ulah pediang kasih tiru nila ai ba ngipan kerpang ki ka syuti tang daga benta kini ki lower primary upper primary secondary ba higher secondary tang na benta ka to ka arku pratarik kaya ka siti kaniru nila adab ai ru syau Education Minister Lakman Remboy di mauru na kaliang jonggu la ada forward ya kami ka application na kabanta ban kasyuti ya ka arpu pratarik mo temeneru ngala budin ya kami segi department na kaliang ka department kadang long under process dan rei kabor pat jong chief minister pi kalong ka bahakli do te ngal alik kerpat jur yu halor kami ka syuti ka basismi dengan long peksar aduk mentaru kadang long under proses dengan kerpat ya pi bakin penting kena ya kena syuti dan kalian jombu la menjur tak buun long kat chief guest temo tahap lai syuti kan kat chief guest kelam ai syuti teman ban yawan mo nak tagadau ni ai ya kena ka terus nambah ni kerpat ikinong hikai teh bakin yawan lut akan ka ni ba kimdei bandan manuru ba pep te kandan namar phi kandan ke jing yakran kum ka long one family kan ka NDA mo te kin yakran kum one family ya ke jing jong kinong hikai ba kinong hikai ad hoc ya kendo namar na ngai kidang kenmawi bau de Union Minister of State for Social Justice and Empowerment mo uba simkya ya ka jinge jongki adam uba karpat ru ya ka state Meghalaya ba ban kentiu deficit system mo tang yaki all existing tang yaki all existing te nakaliang ka state ke papeliru ka don hi ka jingmu ke babaha tang ba bunsin yo i ka state ka yu panpawi ki jing kaliang ka pisa ka tangka te nak tagadaw ni khot yu ni union minister ni ong ba mo mauru don ka NDA te kani ka MDA ru kalong tawai ka family bat ka NDA te ni smau ba da ka jingya trailang kini mo ulong pumuksiang nagbenta jami mo hakmat ka sarkar India ba hakmat ka state mo ulong pumuksiang te ni syukermen ba ikam kin yat baik ba kiai kin yat sakmat kin ba kin kermen jami ngingat kin umlong la na mo te nak tagadaw ni ko ay ban pendon burom ru yo ubo wan terpang akan ka arku praterik tengen pediang burom yo kan nawar uwan terpang ru kadai halor ka jingkhot jami hi tenak tagadaw ngin pediang burom yu tekan sedon ru ka cultural dance na jaintia na khasi ba na garuru ni kermen bakan long ka function ka bahe ba we have been demanding for the upgradation of only the all existing ad hoc schools government aided in the whole state of Meghalaya, which are only LP school 558 with 1,116 teachers, upper primary school 844 with 3,376 teachers, secondary schools 388 with 2,164 teachers, and higher secondary 67 schools with 426 teachers. The total number of all existing ad hoc schools from lower primary to higher secondary level are only 1,857 schools with 7,082 teachers. Tengi dawar wahangni 1 class may kindly be granted in every school as it is a burden to the teaching staff, especially the headmasters. Kita hi kini kimin kenang taru mitho hi hamne khindiak mo na kabanta kini ki nga nakapor nga sitho hi ba upgrade only the all existing ad hoc categories to deficit system as the first phase kai mo. I also humbly request for the sanctioning of Hindi teachers post from class 6 to class 10 so that each and every student will feel that India is our country so as to bring unity and integrity in diversity. Nakabenta ka jing jong ki Hindi ru nakapor sa kapor ki tengila syutho lang hamni ru salary of Hindi teachers should be at par with other teachers. Tahamni nila ay ru sakhndiat kabadon tambahmo nakapor sa kapor from time to time there are so many issues affecting the education, so many problems. Ngala ay siya education minister ru ngaladap ay siya chief minister ngaladap ay but minsa ay biang ru there are many issues and problems affecting education. Thus, there is a need for education commission in our state of Meghalaya. Kani ito lang very important. Karibandan kataka education commission. Lada katon kani ka education commission ki. Hangni kindon ki riudkhat ki bapet ki jing'e ki bami na kapor sa kapor ngam tip na kintip. There are so many cases regarding education. One committee is filing with another committee, one secretary against the chairman, some teachers against the management, some management against the teachers. There are so many cases. These kind of cases actually can be solved within the commission itself. Come that they have to go to court. There are so many issues regarding syllabus, regarding other issues also can be discussed here in the Education Commission.
New Union Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment, Ramdas Athwali, unlong guest of honor advocacy, but Chief Minister Badun Burum Jongkani ke State Juni Sri Conrad K Sangma Unlong U Chief Guest. Batka jingi kedua lang Jongkini ki he berargut hangit skam autobus ni anlak ban soft lam ni ke jingi ke bangi kendu mungki nong ikai school bat kumni ki nong tre 108 hangit skam baka jingi kendu lang jongki autobus ni nilak ban ye keren ye ki bat ban penbet ye ki jingi